Over the weekend, both Pfizer and Moderna's vaccines got the green light for kids aged 6 months to 5 years to get a shot, and doctors could start giving shots tomorrow or the day after.
News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry joins us now. And Jackie, you spoke to some parents today, and they've certainly got a lot on their minds.
They definitely do. I think parents knew the day was coming. Some parents I spoke to today say they plan to get their children to their pediatrician's office as soon as possible to discuss next steps on how to get their kids their shots.
At last, right?
Maggie Jones says she has been waiting for the day she can get her kids vaccinated against COVID-19. Her daughter Violet just turned 5, and her son Rory is almost 1. She says the vaccine is not only peace of mind, but it will make things much easier on the entire family.
With daycare closures comes time away from work. It's just so stressful. It's been, 2+ years of this.
I, hate watching my kids get vaccines. I see them get little fevers afterward. I know how fussy they are.
Julie Mitchell is a mom of 3 children. All are 5 or younger. She says it's hard seeing young kids get so many vaccines at such a young age, but agrees with Jones.
Adding this one into the mix, I think, is of, little consequence in terms of their whole lives, but of great consequence in terms of our peace of mind as far as our family clusters, our daycares, our elderly relatives, and so I'm a big fan.
Over the weekend, Dr. Nirav Shah posted a series of tweets sharing data, including the number of children who have been hospitalized with COVID-19. He says 85 to 90% of kids who have been hospitalized with COVID has been the primary reason for them being in the hospital. And a quarter of those kids ended up in the ICU. And 202 COVID deaths have been children between the ages of 6 months and 5 years old.
Anything we can do to protect our kids and the kids they play with every day.
Jackie, a quick question for you. Were you able to speak with any parents who said they were not planning to get their kids vaccinated, and what did they say about that?
Yeah, I did. All of the parents I spoke to who were hesitant declined to speak to me on camera, unfortunately. But some parents still feel like their kids are just a little too little for the shot, or they feel like they've made it this far and many of them have already had COVID, so they're not rushing to stand in line to get shots for their kids. And some people say they still feel like the shot is too new to put in their kids' bodies.
All right, Jackie, thanks so much.